Alright guys, Corey's getting over here getting heat map gas going.
Yeah,
Sick, brother. We're gonna have fun. Or we're gonna die. It's your turn to cartwheel my ass.
I don't know if welding a C-clipper ends a good idea, but we'll find out.
It's fine. Corey's the welder today.
Don't show this. This looks bad. There's a big hole in the middle.
Oh god, that's actually not too bad. You just gotta fill it.
That was a big old hole.
Yeah, that's not too bad actually at all. It's gonna splatter, so.
It's fucking like hard to see in there. It's
Oh yeah. Why'd you put your helmet back on? You don't like my helmet?
It's way too dark. You can't see anything.
Oh, you can tune it right here. Look, there's a tuner.
I like mine. Oh my god! Ow!
They laid it right in the butt crack of your arm.
You never stop the weld though.
Oh.
You never stop the weld though.
No. That's good.
And then do the bottom.
Do the gear to cast last. So you're not taking. So you're not taking your Ranger now. No. We taking this out to TDS or what? Can you imagine a freaking Jaguar on top of a mountain in Bucketillo?
I'm starting to think I really want to make that off-road.
Do it.
Because no one does that.
You should get like something with a chassis and just take the body off it that's screwed.
Should I just take my Ranger off and.
You should have took my Bronco chassis and just put it on that.
I was thinking I gotta smog my Ranger, but if I take.
If you take that, you don't have to smog it. And you can off-road.
Put any motor I want.
Oh yeah, and you do anything. Smell good. Are you done yet? Can we go off-roading? Is it time for TDS?
Almost.
Oh, damn, those are nicer than mine. I like how you welded the middle ones. Totally unnecessary, but.
Because when I was done, there was a nice little valley, and I'm like, that looks perfect to put a weld in.
Rear end, back together. Brake line stretched. Good to go. Let it ride. Let it be free. How confident are you in your hands?
I'm just torquing these to the proper spec.
Oh, yeah. That sounds like 3 ugga-uggas. 1, 2, yeah, that's like 2 to 3
Well,
ugga-uggas.
see, you first have to bring them all in a star pattern to one ugga-dugga.
Yeah. And then,
and you got to come back with 2 more.
Yeah, we forgot that bottom one, which is gonna leak the most.
I think I'm just gonna let this one be.
You gotta
seal.
Oh, that one, yeah, that's fine.
Oh shit!
You gotta send that one to it's like broken off, and that means it's tight enough.
Yeah, look like that.
Yeah, that's good. Sleep through. Hold on, what is that noise? Oh my god, what happened?
Is there a mouse in here now? Where's that mouse?
Oh, that don't sound good at all. It's getting better. Oh, it stopped. It doesn't sound good.
I don't think we're going to the desert after this.
We'll see.
I hope it makes the trip out there.
Yeah. If anything, we'll just take Adrian's. You ready for the desert, big dog?
Hell yeah, boy.
What are you taking? Your truck or the Jeep?
Taking my mommy's Jeep.
Mommy's car?
Mommy's car.
This sounds like it's gonna break.
Dude, it sounds so bad.
I feel like it was because the drive shaft was at an extreme angle.
It could be.
It could be that too.
It could be because all the shit's loose.
The Jeep is the rescue vehicle. That's the only reason why I'm taking it.
Yeah, right? We're gonna need something reliable.
You got toe straps?
We're bringing a whole bucket full.
Just need a tow truck.
Yeah.
He's got AAA.
Okay, is that you pumping the brakes?
Yeah.
Oh, you have no brakes?
I think that's the control arm.
Oh, the control arm pushing?
Yeah, we also need to do a front end.
I think you're at least.
Let's go on the creek real fast test now. It sounds good. Oh yeah, she's welded. That's for sure.
How long have you guys let the weld school for?
Not as long as we let yours weld or cool down for.
He just started spraying it with brake cleaner and it was still hot.
Immediately, so everything's gonna crack and break.
And it turned into like a hazardous gas when you breathe it.
All right, guys. I hope you freaking like and subscribe to this because we got so much good content coming to you. You guys won't even freaking be able to keep up. Subscribe.
Subscribe. Like.
Yeah, subscribe.
Subscribe and like.
Subscribe. 100,000 freaking subscribers. I will crush his Ranger. I will literally flatten it. He needs a new car. We'll flatten his Ranger at 100,000 subscribers. You have no choice. At 100,000, you're getting crushed. We'll completely destroy Dylan's Ranger if we get 100,000 subscribers. Your hood's open. Does it feel fine?
Yeah.
Does it, like, if you do burnouts and stuff? Oh! Oh, shit. Dude, that sounded good. What? No, it sounded like you broke something in. All right, don't point it any more that way because you're gonna hit really expensive cars. Good God.
Oh, that's fucking
That's
awesome.
sick, dude.
It's because it doesn't have any braking power in the back. It's all in the front.
True, it's all you need, brother. Adrian, what are you cooking?
You're gonna hit
Yes, sir? Frijoles? Oh, wait. All right, guys, we're out here getting ready for TDS 2025. Stay tuned. Please follow, like, subscribe. We will be showing you how to destroy this Cherokee in one weekend or one day. Dude, you know you're not supposed to wash your hands with that, right?
It gets all the grease off.
Oh, that's how that works.
And it leaves them so soft.
Yeah, let's go. Me and you in the back.
All right, let's go to the riverbed, boys.
Dude, I'm surprised that thing spins the tires.
I know, dude. This one's real easy, too. Look at this.
Awesome, dude.
Look at these burnouts, brother. This Jeep's gonna be fun this weekend.
Oh, yeah. Till it breaks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's ready to rip, brother. Oh, all right, guys. Little e-bike versus the Jeep in the riverbed. Let's go. Little pre-TDS test drive. Let's get it. Take this too, and that. We're gonna see which one's the best. You ate what?
Cheese.
You had too much cheese?
Those little sticks that you peel.
Is that? Are you lactose intolerant? You're tiny ass, probably.
No, I think I'm becoming lactose intolerant.
You know everyone's lactose, right? Yeah, that's crazy.
Lactose.
Oh, you're going to run it over. You're over gear oil. All right, let's go. We're burning daylight. No one cares about your transmission fluid. Let's go.
Hey, we want this thing to run for tomorrow at least, all right?
Dude, it's cool because if that breaks, I hop in your Jeep and we're good to go. we'll leave Cory behind.
Two-wheel drive on.
Two-wheel drive right now? Sweet.
These slow ass guys.
Get out of my way. Holy camp and a half over here, dude. Oh, he's almost stuck. He's almost stuck. Oh, this is where he's gonna get stuck. He's actually not getting stuck at all. Michael's getting wrecked by the plants. Cory, those are all cactus, dude. That's cactus, Cory.
What?
You're running over cactus.
What?
You're on cactus, and there's a whole farm of cactus up there.
Can I not just go?
No, you're gonna pop your tires, dude. Look how big those thorns are.
I don't think so.
Oh yeah, you'll definitely pop your tire.
Oh shit, that is cactus.
I told you.
Those are big fucking needles, man.
I was just gonna drive right over it.
I know, don't do it.
No? Oh, okay, so now you're making it careful?
Well, you said you want to. If you didn't go over the rock climb, why would you go over the freaking cactus?
Because it looked like a fun hill to go up.
Yeah, so did the rock climb, but that didn't have anything to pop your tire. Oh! No way, he's going in the pond? He's still getting stuck. It's gonna sink to the freaking body. Dylan's over there doing burnouts. Dude, rip a donut. Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
You're in 4-wheel drive still.
I know, because if I put it in 2-wheel drive, it's sick.
Oh really?
Yeah. Dude, it's stinky too.
Do a 2-wheel drive freaking donut. Oh, he's stuck, guys. He's stuck.
Let's go in the pond. That was a good idea.
You went further than I wanted.
You told me to fucking whip a donut.
Guys, we all gotta start pushing. Oh, we gotta flatten your tires. That's what it is.
Oh, you kind of got a little bit. Just keep going back and forth. Give yourself. Hey, Cory, rock it back and forth. You got a little bit when you rocked it. Almost.
If you got a rope,
Let's help push him. Let's get in the front and push him back.
Go for it, Cory. Wait, Cory, rock it.
Rock it one more time.
I can't believe us weak ass boys just pushed the Jeep out of the mud.
Boys.
Oh, sorry, kid. Oh, he's sending it. He's sending it. This is so impossible.
Called it.
Dude, we're gonna get so screwed up, TDS. This thing sucks. Oh, we should have used that thing to push him out. Dylan, you're next.
What I think he's gonna do.
Oh yeah. He's definitely gonna try flexing on it somehow. You should drive all the way up this and get in this pit.
What was this even used for?
I have baptisms.
You make a hot tub here?
We should, dude. We should fill this thing up. Put tarps in it. Guys, it's Better Billy here. Hope you guys are liking and subscribing and sharing this crap because this is fun. Tomorrow morning we're taking Cory's Jeep out to TDS. We just took it out for a little test drive in our backyard here at the garage, through the riverbed and through a pond. If you guys subscribe and get us to 100,000 subscribers, we're taking Dylan's Ranger and this Jeep and we're destroying both of them at the same time. Till there's nothing left. But we're gonna have fun doing it.
Like a brick on the throttle.
Yeah, brick on the throttle, send it off a mountain.
Off of Torrey Pines Cliff.
Maybe. I don't know if we want to get in trouble for littering. But yes, 100,000 subscribers. That's our goal. Dylan's Ranger is our goal. That Jeep is our goal. If he sells that Jeep, we're going to find another Jeep, make that our goal. Then we'll destroy his Jeep too.
How much trade you got?
It's not even mine.
We're going to destroy everyone's Jeep.
We'll destroy it.
Yeah, we'll destroy it.
Dude, that was a fun little.
100,000 subscribers. Let's go, guys.
Can't look at his face. I step up closer to the edge of her waist. Palm sweat, can't wait. Feeling